The androids attacked this place a long time ago. Hard to believe it's been that long. You know, I remember going into an underwater cave when I was a kid. Yeah! Yeah! All right. I can tell this thing's got lots of energy. This thing's giving off a lot of energy. Just looking at this mango's making my mouth water. Whoa, this one seems pretty tough. Yeah, 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 yeah. Whoa, this one seems pretty tough. Huh? What's this? Whoa, this thing looks pretty rare. Might cause some trouble later. Best to deal with this now. There's no one here. Doesn't look like you better give it your all. All right, let's do this.
Never beat me.
Whoa! This stone's extra hard. Is this some sort of ghost town? I bet it'd be real fun to fish around here. Whoa! This one seems pretty tough. Might cause some trouble later. Best to deal with this now. Looks like people are back here, too. This looks like a great apple. There we go. I could see Piccolo training under something like that. We got a keeper. Found some tasty looking food. This looks like a great apple. Yeah! All right. That stone seems pretty sturdy. Might cause some trouble later. Best to deal with this now.
I shall grant you any wish. State your wish. Get ready!
Come at me any...
supreme kind!
That might be going a...
Take care, never forget. It might be time for...
Piccolo.
I'm nothing.
You know,
Daddy? Daddy!
Goku has died. He had stood tall against the deadliest of foes, but the mighty warrior was no match for the virus in his heart. Though those close to Goku were overcome with sadness, they continued to lead peaceful lives for some time. But 6 months later, 2 monstrosities appeared on an island to the south. Earth's defenders met them head-on, but they stood no chance. Piccolo was the first to fall. Then Vegeta, Yamcha, Tien, and Krillin all lost their lives. The 2 androids plunged the world into a state of constant fear and chaos. It is here, 13 years later, that our story begins. A story about a world without Goku. Vegeta and Bulma's son, Trunks, has grown into a young man with a strong sense of justice.
How could the androids do this? How could they be so cruel?
Gohan is the only warrior left alive to face off against the android threat. Trunks, admiring Gohan's strength and burning with a desire to defeat the androids, makes an impassioned plea.
Gohan, I want to be stronger. I want to put a stop to these monsters. Please, train me so I can help you fight.
Gohan and Trunks, the last surviving warriors.
Trunks. Okay, I'll do it.
Thank you, Gohan. You won't regret this, I promise.
Several days later, Trunks begins his intense training with Gohan, hoping to improve his skills enough to contend with the androids.
All right, let's get started with today's training.
Right. I can't wait.
I know I don't really have to say this, but I will anyway. The androids are insanely strong. I'm gonna fight you as if I'm fighting them. If you don't do the same, you're gonna get hurt.
Understood. Here I come. I'm going to become strong enough to beat you. And then beat the androids.
That's the spirit. Good. Keep it up.
Here it comes. Try this. Here it comes.
You're a quick learner, Trunks. I'm impressed.
Still got a lot more in me.
Giving up already? The androids are a lot stronger than this. That attack was pretty solid. Wow, Trunks. Seeing you fight like this reminds me a lot of Vegeta.
That means a lot to me, Gohan.
Okay, let's call it a day.
Okay.
You're good, Trunks. You're definitely Vegeta's son.
I'm still not good enough. I don't think I'll ever be able to beat you at your best.
No way. You're gonna be even stronger than me someday. I'm counting on it.
I sure hope so.
All right, we better head back. Bulma's not gonna be too happy if we stay out here any longer.
Right. Definitely can't let her know I'm training with you.
I'll go with you part of the way.
Thanks. If we don't hurry, my mother's gonna start worrying about me.
Given the way things are now, I wouldn't blame her. By the way, how's she doing?
Good. Well, pretty good. She's kind of run into some trouble with something she's working on.
Huh. Hard to imagine Bulma struggling with her work. They look simple enough to beat. Take that! They look simple enough to beat. Here it comes! Here it comes! Try this on! Trunks, wait!
Somebody help!
Go on! That guy over there's in trouble!
Right. I'm on it. Are you okay?
Who are you two?
You were attacked by that thing, weren't you?
Oh no!
Huh? What is this?
That alarm. It's going to get the android's attention.
What?
You hear that, 18?
Yeah, I hear it. Sounds like fun to me.
We're doomed! Doomed! The androids are no doubt on their way now!
Trunks, quickly, take this person somewhere safe. I'll do my best to distract the androids if they show up.
Right, will do.
I sure hope Trunks was able to find a safe hiding spot.
Oh, it's only you. I was hoping for a change of pace, but I guess that's not gonna happen.
This sucks. We're just repeating the same fight over and over again.
It's the androids. So what that guy was saying was true. They actually showed up.
What are you doing here, Trunks?
I thought I could help you fight them.
No, you're not strong enough yet to take them on.
Hey, he's already showed up for the party, so why not let him join in on the fun, huh?
I guess it's too late now. Try to avoid them and stay right behind me as much as you can.
Right. Got it.
Here I go! Ah!
Don't try to win. Just focus on staying alive.
Damn it!
They're gonna try to give us a chance to get out of here.
Looks like they're running out of steam.
Okay.
What are you two talking about? Okay, so you can fight, kinda. You might actually pull something off.
Down you go!
Let's go.
What's wrong? We came this far. This is the best you can do?
Get out of here! Here it comes!
Why you?
Not bad!
I wouldn't get too cocky if I were you.
This is our only shot at getting away. Trunks! Now's our chance to get out of here.
Right.
Well, damn. Looks like they got away.
Whatever. They weren't that fun anyway. Let's get out of here.
Sure. Maybe they'll actually put up a fight next time. But I'm not holding my breath.
Okay, I think they're gone now.
Yeah, looks like it. I sure hope that guy we helped out earlier is okay.
Yeah, I'm worried about him too. You mind showing me where he is?
Sure, I'll take you there. Sir, are you okay?
Oh, it's you two! So you're still alive!
Yeah, you look like you're doing okay too.
You know, when that thing found me, I thought I was a goner. But fortunately, you two came to the rescue. Thank you so much.
Ah, it was nothing. By the way, what exactly was that drone?
That was one of the Red Ribbon Army's old patrol bots. Dangerous little guys.
What?
It's programmed to fly around Red Ribbon Army facilities, and if it detects any potential intruders, it sounds an alarm to call reinforcements.
Okay, but there aren't any Red Ribbon Army facilities in this area, though.
That's true, but it appears the bot is operating on its own. It's forgotten its patrol routine, and instead detects threats anywhere, all around the world. To make matters worse, the androids are the ones around to hear and respond to it. If you don't intend to fight the androids, you only have two options. Either if the alarm does trigger, you should be able to...
I see.
You really do seem to know a lot about drones and stuff.
Indeed. That's because I'm a researcher who's special. Anyway, the Red Ribbon Army robots make use of some experimental technology. Their state-of-the-art command drones control other drones, and inside those command drones are some particularly rare parts. I thought I'd try to procure one of those rare parts and finally do something about those drones. But then one of them spotted me.
Are you serious? That's dangerous.
He's right. You should stay far away from that drone.
Maybe you're right. But if you two could destroy that command drone for me and help procure that part, it'd really help me out. Think it's possible? I'll reward you for your efforts, of course.
If that thing's still around to alert the androids, it could end up getting a lot more people killed.
So, you'll help me, will you?
I suppose.
Oh, that's perfectly fine with me. I'll be counting on you two, so stay safe.
So we're after a drone that can alert the androids. We definitely have to stop it.
Right. But if we don't handle this carefully, we'll end up fighting the androids when we don't need to. We have to be smart.
You can say that again. I mean, as much as I...
Okay, let's try to make our way...
Right. Thank goodness. I was able to destroy it.
Okay, now the androids won't be drawn here.
Have to make sure the drone doesn't spot me. I barely made it. Oh. They look simple enough to beat. Yeah! The androids are probably on their way.
Heard the alarm. Stay back, Trunks!
I can fight.
Let's see which one of us will take this leap.
I want to hear you scream loud. Did I go too far with that one?
Why you?
Now for the finish!
Is that really all?
We really are untouchable, aren't we?
I can't beat them. They look simple enough to beat.
Oh! Have you found the part?
They look simple enough to beat. The androids made a real mess of this place. It's just me and Mom living here. I can feel power surging through me. Ugh, made it.
I bet you're pretty tired. Get plenty of rest. You'll need it for our training tomorrow.
Right. Thanks for today, Gohan. See you tomorrow. Okay, Mom. I'm gonna meet Gohan now. See you later.
You've been hanging out with Gohan a lot recently, Trunks. You better not be putting yourself in danger. Are you putting yourself in danger?
Of course not.
Is that so? Okay, then. As long as you're going to see him, why not ask Gohan to join us for dinner? We've got more than enough food.
That's a great idea, Mom. Gohan will love that. I'll ask him. Okay, bye.
Be careful out there.
All right, time to go meet Gohan. I wonder what today's training's gonna be. Dinner with Gohan. We'll be able to talk about all sorts of stuff. It's gonna be great. They might be out of my league. I just hope Mom hasn't figured out that me and Gohan are training together. They might be out of my league. 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 Take this! Here it comes! Try this on! Here it comes! They might be out of my league. I should be able to fish around here. Oh no! Try this on! Here it comes! Here it comes! this on! I should be able to fish around here. I bet this tastes great. This looks like a keeper. Ha! Hey, there he is. Sorry for the wait, Gohan.
You get enough rest yesterday? If not, you're not gonna get as much out of this training as you should.
I'm good.
All right. I'm sure you know firsthand how strong the androids are. And that's why we need you to become a Super Saiyan as soon as possible.
Okay.
Let's get right into it. It's gonna be tough, but once you're warmed up, I'll help you out.
Yep, let's... Okay, here I come.
Good. Bring it on.
Here I come.
Okay, I think you're getting there.
Right, I can keep going. Try this on. Oh no!
What?
Here it comes!
What?
Take that!
That was a pretty good attack. But it's not gonna help you become a Super Saiyan. Get angry, Trunks. Come on! What?
Try this on!
Good. Get mad. Pretend I'm an android. Let the rage consume you.
You as an android? That's gonna be tough, but I'll try. Try this on!
Nice work. That's enough for now.
Got it. It sure is hard to become a Super Saiyan. I mean, I'm really trying to get angry.
I never said it would be easy. It's really just a matter of increasing your energy and exploding with rage. Sounds simple, but to actually pull it off, you're gonna need more training.
Right. I won't give up. Oh yeah, my mom wanted to know if you'd have dinner with us tonight. You'll come, right?
Dinner? You sure it's okay?
Yeah, I think she's already making enough for all of us.
I see. Well, if that's the case, then I guess I'll head over.
Awesome! Okay, let's get going!
Red Ribbon Army drones are on patrol. I sure hope they don't find anybody hiding from them.
My mom's gonna be so happy.
I can't remember the last time I had a meal with Bulma.
So, you've known my mom for a long time, haven't you?
Yeah. I was only 4 when I first met her. Actually, a lot happened that day. And my life hasn't been the same since.
Oh yeah? What happened?
Well, it's complicated, but my dad's long-lost brother kind of showed up and kidnapped me. Then I had to basically survive on my own in the wilderness for half a year.
What? Really? You mean that all happened when you were 4 years old?
Sounds unbelievable, but it's true.
That's so incredible. I don't really know what to say. They might be out of my league. There's so much energy in this. There's so much energy in this. I can feel power surging through me. They might be out of my league. They look simple enough to beat. They might be out of my league. Take that! They look simple enough to beat.
Okay, now the androids won't be drawn here.
Have to make sure the drone doesn't spot me. The androids made a real mess of this place. Welcome. Thank you.
Feel free to browse. Come back real soon.
It's just me and Mom living here. All right, we're here. I'm back, Mom! And I brought Gohan with me.
Glad you're back safe, Trunks. And it's good to see you, Gohan.
Yeah, good to see you too.
Your timing's impeccable. I just finished preparing dinner. The androids have made it pretty hard to get everything I want. Some ingredients are hard to find. But I try to make up for it with my ability to adapt in the kitchen.
I really appreciate this, Bulma.
And so, thanks to Bulma's efforts, the three were able to enjoy a nice meal together and relax.
Thanks a lot for the meal. It was delicious.
Whoa, you sure can eat a lot, Gohan.
Well, it was just so good I couldn't help myself.
Oh, you're just like him.
Huh? Like who?
Seeing you in that outfit, eating like you do. You remind me so much of your father. It's almost like he's still here.
I wear this as a way to remind myself that I need to be strong, just like him. My dad was a really carefree person. He never let anything get to him, even my mom chewing him out.
That's so true.
But that didn't stop him from risking his life, time and time again, to protect me and all the people he knew and loved. He was amazing. I want to carry on his legacy and fight for those I care about, for everyone. But I feel there's more I should be doing.
Wow, Gohan's amazing. He's such a strong person.
You're doing plenty. Rumor has it you're out there giving the androids a hard time all on your own. I'm impressed.
Thanks.
Trunks is impressed too, and unfortunately, now he thinks this is his fight as well. Go on, tell him.
She doesn't know, right? That I'm training to fight the androids? Again?
You know, it's already pretty late. You must be tired, Gohan. Why don't you just stay the night?
Yeah, you should sleep over. Come on, stay, Gohan.
Well, I am pretty tired. I'll take you up on that offer then.
Good. I'll prepare a bed for you. Now, you two go clean yourselves up. You both smell like you've been working out together all day.
Sorry about that.
Man, I was freaking out the other day at dinner. I thought my mom figured out we're training together.
Well, Trunks, Bulma's one of the smartest people I know. If we keep staying out late, she'll eventually figure out what's going on.
Yeah, so what should we do?
Well, for starters, we shouldn't train every day. It might be best to incorporate some rest days into our routine. It'll be good for our bodies and prevent Bulma from worrying.
Yeah, that's a good idea. Let's do it.
Now that I think about it, it'll help me out too, since I'm probably worrying my own mom and grandpa.
Oh yeah, I've been wondering about Chi-Chi and the Ox King. Have you seen them recently? How are they doing?
Actually, you know, I haven't been back home since I started fighting the androids on my own. So, I'm not really sure.
Oh, okay.
Every time I'd come back beaten up and broken from a fight with the androids, my mom would go crazy on me. She'd yell at me and tell me not to fight them. But I can't stop fighting. I have to avenge everyone the androids killed, and I have to protect this planet. That's what Dad would have done.
Gohan.
But honestly, I am worried about how my mom and grandpa are doing. Ha, look at me. I guess I'm just as much a worrier as my mom. Haha. Anyway, enough about me and my family. Let's call it a day, all right?
Okay. See you later. Maybe I should go check on Chi-Chi and the Ox King for Gohan. Time to head to Chi-Chi's place. I remember hearing Chi-Chi used to be a martial artist. I wonder if she's still as strong as she used to be. They look simple enough to beat. I heard the Ox King used to be scary a long time ago. I wonder if that's true. My mom's known Gohan's family for a long time. They look simple enough to beat. Mom's still toiling away in her lab.
I know that. If there's anything you want me to cook, just bring... Sure. Just let me know when you're... Actually... Thanks!
All right. So this capsule's got supplies in it. Better hurry and deliver it. They look simple enough to beat. They look simple enough to beat. Try this on! Here it comes! Take that! Let's go! Here it comes! They look simple enough to beat. This is where Master Roshi and the others lived.
Hey there.
look simple enough to beat. I hear everyone's living in the submarine now. Hi.
Many thanks.
Yes.
Excuse me? True.
Hey!
Right. True.
Huh? Yep. Very well.
Huh?
Oh.
Hey! Yep. Yeah? Yep.
Sure. Right. Now that the supplies have been delivered, time to report back to Mom. The androids made a real mess of this place. It's just me and Mom living here. Sure.
Okay.
True. Huh?
What? Wait!
Please. Please let everyone be safe. They look simple enough to beat. They look simple enough to beat.
Yeah.
What? Nope. What?
Jeez.
Try this on! Take this! Damn! Here it comes! Try this on! Here it comes! Take this! Masenko! Here it comes! Try this on! Take this! Masenko! Let's go! You're done! I can still do this! Idiot. Let's go! Let's go! No! Here it comes! Take that! Masenko! Here it comes! Here it comes!
Wow.
Yeah. Give me a break.
Hey.
Hey! Eh?
Jeez.
Hey.
Huh?
Yeah.
Huh?
What in the world?
No surprise here.
Jeez.
Yeah.
Nope.
Yep.
Huh?
Yep. Hey! Yep.
Sure. Thank you for the encouragement, Master Roshi. I swear I'll stop the androids.
Oh, well now.
They look simple enough to beat. Oh. Thanks. There's so much energy in this. Is that him? Need to hurry. Have to hurry. Here it comes! Take that! Try this on! Here it comes! Take that! Down! Try this on! Here it comes! Oh no! I can feel power surging through me. Feel power surging through me. I bet this place used to be a lot of fun. There's so much energy in this. I can feel power surging through me. I can feel power surging through me. I should be able to fish around here. This looks like a keeper. Need to hurry. Huh? What's all that noise? What is that? Something's attacking Chi-Chi. Not good. I need to help her.
Get back, you mechanical meanies! Leave me alone!
Chi-Chi, watch out!
Trunks, is that you?
Yeah. What's with these robots?
I'm not sure. They came out of nowhere and started attacking me!
Okay, leave this to me. You go find a safe place to hide.
No, I can't leave you to fight these things!
I'll be fine. Don't worry, I'm a lot stronger than I look. Looks like these things attack anything that moves. Alright, bring it on! You're nothing compared to the androids. Here it comes! Training with Gohan is starting to pay off. Try this on! Try this on! Here it comes, all of them. I hope Chi-Chi's okay. Chi-Chi, are you hurt?
No, I'm fine. Although I totally could have handled those buckets of bolts on my own.
Glad to see you're still full of energy.
Yeah, I might not look like it, but I've still got some fight left in me. I am glad you showed up. Thanks, Trunks.
It was no problem. What were you up to?
Me? No, I was just on my way back from checking on the fields.
Cool. I'll escort you back to your house then, just in case any more of those robots show up.
Really? Well then, escort away, Mr. Bodyguard.
Yes, ma'am.
Trunks, my boy. I really appreciate you saving Chi-Chi. You know, you'd make Vegeta proud.
Oh, it was nothing.
Nothing? No need to be so modest, Trunks. You fought just like my Gohan when he was little.
Really?
Oh, that reminds me. I heard you were out there helping Gohan fight those awful...
You did? Not good. Not good! How did he hear about that? If he... well, you shouldn't believe everything you hear, you know.
Oh, so you're not? Well, I guess that's good.
Right. Those androids are way too dangerous for a kid like you to fight. I don't even like Gohan fighting them. He was going to be a world-class scholar when he got older.
I know how you feel, Chi-Chi, but Gohan's made up his mind. He's our boy, and we should trust him. We just have to hope he stays safe.
Gohan doesn't fight because he wants to, but because he has to. And he's still thinking and worrying about you. At least that's what I think.
You're right. Anyway, if you see him, would you please tell him to keep fighting, but to try to come home, like, every once in a while?
I will. Okay, well, I'd better head back now. Stay safe, you two.
Thanks. Give my regards to Bulma, okay?
Have a safe trip back home.
Thanks. Oh, could you maybe not tell my mom what you heard about me helping Gohan fight the androids? It'll just stress her out.
Of course.
I should let Gohan know how Chi-Chi and the Ox King are doing. I wonder if Gohan's where we were before.
Don't keep your mother waiting, Trunks.
You're grown into a strong little son of a gun. You really do remind me a lot of your old man.
I knew Chi-Chi would be worried about Gohan. I need to make sure my mom doesn't find out what I'm up to. Gohan should really try to visit his family more often. They look simple enough to beat. Hey, there he is. Gohan!
Hey, Trunks. I thought you went back home for the rest of the day.
Actually, I was just visiting your mom and grandpa at their place.
Oh, really?
You said you were worried, so I went and checked on them. There was a small issue, but they're okay.
Small issue?
Yeah, some weird machines were attacking your mom, but I took care of them.
Really? Oh no, is my mom okay?
Yeah, not a scratch on her.
That's a relief. Thanks a lot, Trunks. Seriously, if you hadn't been there, there's no telling what might have happened.
Chi-Chi wanted me to tell you something. She said keep fighting, but try to make it home once in a while.
Oh, I can't go right now, obviously, but I guess I'd better start making regular trips back to...
She'd like that.
Right. Speaking of family, you'd better head back yourself before Bulma starts...
True. See you later.
If I really want to put everyone at ease, I need to defeat the androids and bring peace back to the...
The area around West City suffered numerous casualties today as the androids continued their rampage. Residents in nearby areas have been ordered to evacuate immediately.
Chi-Chi wanted me to tell you something. She said keep fighting, but try to make it home once in a while.
Mom, just hang on a bit longer. I promise. I'll come back once the androids are gone.
The next day, Trunks and Gohan continue their training with a new resolve.
Right. Let's begin the training.
What are we gonna do today? Another sparring match?
We can, and will do that. But I think we need to focus on making you a Super Saiyan. So, let's start there.
I'm sorry this isn't going well. I don't think I can become a Super Saiyan today.
It's not supposed to be easy.
Okay.
That explosion. It has to be the androids. I cannot let them destroy...
Then let's go, Gohan.
No. Trunks still can't transform into a Super Saiyan. He's not ready for this fight yet. I'll be back. You stay...
Wait, Gohan. I can go with you and help you fight.
You're still not ready to take them on. Just stay here for now.
But like, any help would be better than nothing, right, Gohan?
Fine, but try to keep up, okay? And don't push it if you think it's too much.
Thanks.
Let's go. If we don't hurry, people are gonna die.
Right. Those androids are going to pay. If there's only some way of knowing where they are.
Hard to do that when we can't detect their energy. We're gonna have to hunt them down the hard way.
Why are the androids doing this? Why are they killing people?
I don't know. But one thing's for sure. They're clearly enjoying it.
This sucks.
They don't look too tough.
Here I go!
Over there.
Right.
That's enough, androids!
How could you monsters do this?
Oh, great. You guys again.
What a drag. Let's get rid of them so we can keep having some fun. There are tons of other far more interesting people left to kill.
I'm not gonna let you do that.
Go on. Let me help you fight them.
Fine. You can be my support, but try not to put yourself directly in harm's way.
Okay.
I'm more than enough to handle these losers on my own.
Try to make it snappy, okay? We've got places to be.
One slip up and we're done for. You need to be careful, Trunks.
Right.
Damn, you're annoying.
Your reign of terror ends here and now.
You know, you've got some nerve bringing a little kid with you. Are you, like, messing with us?
I'm not a little kid. I'm a warrior, and my name is Trunks.
Here I go!
Aw, did you hurt the little baby warrior's feelings?
Don't let them rile you.
There's nowhere to hide.
I'm not a legal enemy.
Go on. How much longer are you planning to keep this silly game up?
After all, you're just gonna die like the rest of your loser friends and family.
Give it up already. You have to realize you're just delaying the inevitable.
How long are you gonna keep babysitting the brat? Shut up!
I won't let Piccolo, Krillin, and everyone else's deaths be for nothing. It's because of them that I can do this.
Guess we have no other choice but to show you just how far out of our league you are. Survive!
Try this on.
You can go after me, Ryan, then you're in for a big surprise.
Then fight us for real. We're not gonna lose.
Idiots.
All right, I'll fight you.
What?
Idiots. Idiots.
I guess you can fight, kinda.
I've trained long and hard to avenge those you've killed.
A huge letdown, as usual.
You're such a weak little killjoy, you know that?
Starting to get bored of fighting me.
Time to sleep. Permanently.
A little cocky, are we?
Let's keep this up.
Right.
Way to go.
That was amazing, Gohan!
It's not over yet. Stay focused.
We're doing it! We're winning, Gohan!
Not yet. There's still a long way to go before they're done.
Trunks!
You thought you were winning? Give me a break.
It's lights out for you guys.
Well, would you look at that? At least they're good at running away.
They're pretty nimble for a couple of meat bags. Wherever you're hiding, we'll find you.
So, you think we got him, 18?
Yeah, they're dead. But even if they are alive, we'll find them. Come on, 17. Let's get out of here.
Okay, sure.
This is my last senzu bean. Trunks, you take it. You're our last hope, Trunks.
The androids! They're... gone? No! Gohan! Your arm... Gohan! Gohan! Good. You're still breathing. You're gonna be okay. We need to get you home. This is bad. The androids were too strong. I'm only getting in Gohan's way.
Several days later, though Gohan had lost an arm, he was spared the same fate as the others. After a miraculous recovery, he had regained the strength and determination needed to fight once more. Trunks, on the other hand, felt responsible for Gohan's injury and struggled to find the courage to face his mentor.
Huh, you seem out of it, Trunks.
Yeah.
I know you were trying to keep it a secret from me, but I know all about your training sessions with Gohan.
I'm sorry, Mom.
You used to head over to Gohan's place to train, right? You haven't been there in a while.
It's because of me that Gohan... that he... How am I supposed to face him?
It wasn't your fault, Trunks. I know that. And more importantly, I'm sure Gohan knows that. You'll feel a lot better if you just go see him and tell him how you're feeling. Trust me.
I guess you're right. I'll head over there now.
Good. Be careful of...
I have no idea what I'm gonna say when I see Gohan. I'm sure Gohan's feeling better and can move around and stuff, but he probably can't do much training anymore.
Hey!
I bet his arm would be a lot better if he'd been able to eat a sensu bean. The androids made a real mess of this place. I don't know if I have what it takes to be as strong as Gohan.